appointed a certain time to be born and to eventually die. And that can very well be applied in the carnal sense. But you got to remember, there's a spiritual overtone to the scriptures. And that spirit is the spirit of prophecy, if you will. Again, it says, is there not an appointed time to man upon the earth? Are not his days also like the days of an hireling? Are not his days also like the days of an hireling? So again, when you consider these different rulers to govern over the planet Earth, their days, or the time that was given them, the time appointed for them to rule, was as a hireling. You know, when you consider a hireling, he's only paid to do a particular job, then he's discarded, pretty much. Would this apply to all the different kingdoms and empires and regimes that rose to power and eventually fell out of power? And it's no different with the so-called white man. His days or his time to rule are as a hireling. So again, he's nothing more than a prop. You know, his kingdom, this current beast system that governs over the planet Earth, is nothing more than a scene in this drama. Alright? Which brings me right here to the book of Job, the 20th chapter. And starting at the 4th verse, it says, knowest thou not this of old, since man was placed upon earth, that the triumphant of the wicked is short? That the triumphant of the wicked is short. The wicked obviously being the so-called white man. Now, when you go into this word triumphant, it pretty much translates to rejoicing or singing.